नमस्कार. मी निलिमा कदम. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 7वी सामान्य विज्ञान गती, बल व कार्य याचा पुढचा भाग बघणार आहोत. मोशन, फोर्स अँड वर्क. So, distance, the length of the route traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. The minimum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from original point to final point is the displacement, and velocity is the distance traversed by an object in a specific direction in unit time. आपण सरासरी वेग व तात्कालिक वेग म्हणजे काय हे जाणून घेणार आहोत. What is average velocity and instantaneous speed or average instantaneous velocity? Now the truck traverses the 10 km distance from A to B, that is it will take 10 minutes, B to C 20 minutes and C to D 20 km distance in 30 minutes. So altogether how much time it will take? 10 plus 20 plus 30, so 60 minutes means 1 hour. So altogether truck will take 1 hour for this. Okay, and how much distance or displacement it will take in 10 plus 10 plus 20, that is 40 kilometer. वेग म्हणजे काय? See here, school bus or truck is going 10 kilometer, then 10 kilometer, but here it will take 20 minutes and 20 kilometer in 30 minutes. So altogether it will take 1 hour. Okay. Now dear friends, we will find out the velocity for the distance AB. Now velocity will be equal to displacement upon period of time required for the displacement. Now distance, that is displacement, is 10 kilometer and period is 10 minutes. So 10 upon 10, that is 1. So 1 kilometer upon kilometer per hour we have to calculate. So 1 kilometer per hour, 1 hour is, see here, it is 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, because velocity is calculated below kilometer per hour. So this is 10 upon 10, that is 1 kilometer, and 1 hour will be 60 minutes. So here 1, so 1 again we have to this convert into minutes. So 1 minute will be equal to here minutes. So 60 minutes we have to multiply by 60. So 1 into 60 upon 1 into 60, that is 60 minutes is 1 hour, and 1 into 60, that is 60 kilometer. So 60 kilometer per hour. Now velocity for the distance BC. BC is 10 kilometer and displacement is 10 kilometer and time will be 20. So 10 upon 20, that is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2. Now here we have to make, this is minutes. So we have to multiply it by 30 to make it 60, because 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So here also 30. So it will take 30 kilometer upon 60 minutes, that is 30 kilometer per hour. And velocity for the distance CD. CD is displacement is 20 kilometer and minutes required 30. So 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So 1 upon 3. So we have to multiply 1 into 20 upon 3 into 20, that is it will coming to 60. So 20 upon 60 minutes, so it is 20 kilometer per hour. So velocity for the distance AB is 60 kilometer per hour, BC 30 kilometer per hour, and velocity for the distance CD is 20 km/h. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपल्याला वेलोसिटी वेग काय मिळालेला आहे, वेगवेगळा मिळालेला आहे. AB अंतरासाठी 60 किलोमीटर प्रति तास, BC अंतरासाठी 30 किलोमीटर प्रति तास आणि CD अंतरासाठी 20 किलोमीटर प्रति तास. ओके. Now, dear students, velocity for the total distance AD will be how much? It is 40 km upon 60 minutes, that is 40 km/h. बघा, AD एवढं अंतर पार करण्यासाठी सरासरी वेग जो आहे तो किती आलेला आहे, 40 किलोमीटर प्रति तास. Average velocity will be 40 km/h. The velocity at a particular moment, but average velocity for the entire route AD is 40 km/h, but the instantaneous velocity, that is tatkalik weg, it is different at different times. For AB, for BC and for CD, every time it is different. Okay, so the instantaneous velocity can be different at different times. So what is average speed? So total distance upon total time. So average velocity is calculated by dividing total distance traveled by total time. Instantaneous velocity. It is the velocity that an object has at a specific instant in time, and therefore it is different at different times. But here in blue line shows the average velocity and the red line shows the instantaneous velocity. Okay, so this is the difference between average velocity and the instantaneous velocity. Now actual distance traveled by Sachin and Samir from A to E. See here, actual distance how much? AB plus BD plus CD plus DE. So AB plus BC plus CD plus D, that is how much? 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 15 km. This is the actual distance traveled. Now displacement from A to E. What is the displacement? AB plus BD plus D, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will be equal to 9 km. Now speed of the motorbike from A to E. We are calculating speed. Speed will be equal to distance upon time. So total distance travel from A to E will be equal to 15 km upon 1 hour, that is 15 km/h. This is the speed. And velocity of the motorbike, it is the displacement upon time. विस्थापन भागिले लागलेला वेळ. आता विस्थापनासाठी किती वेळ लागलेला आहे, किती आहे विस्थापन झालेले 9 किलोमीटर आणि 1 तास. So 9 km upon 1 hour, that is equal to 9 km/h. So speed and velocity. So this can be called the average velocity of the motorbike from A to E. So this is the average velocity from traveling A to E. तर आज आपण ॲव्हरेज व्हेलॉसिटी, सरासरी वेग व तात्कालिक वेग म्हणजे काय हे जाणून घेतलेलं आहे. पुढच्या भागामध्ये आपण ॲक्सिलरेशन म्हणजे त्वरण म्हणजे काय आणि बल व त्वरण, फोर्स अँड ॲक्सिलरेशन यातील संबंध काय आहे हे जाणून घेणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.